How to delete Google account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, in order to delete your Google account, make sure that you are logged into your specific Google account and open your mail application. Now here, tap onto Initial on your top right. As it is so, you have to select a specific Google account which you would like to delete. Once done, tap on Manage your Google account. At this section, you have to tap on this Data and Privacy. And scroll all the way below. Under More Options, you will see Delete your Google account. Tap it. Scroll all the way below, check these boxes, and be noted all these will be gone. Then tap Delete Account. As it is so, you will get landed onto a page like this saying it all has been deleted. If you would like to recover your account, you may go ahead and click on Recover your account. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.